Ho ho! Look what I have found in today's town newspaper. Everyone!
What is it, Daddy Pig? Is there some exciting news?
Is it a game or a funny comic?
Even better, the town is holding a Granberry Sweet competition today. Anyone can visit the bakery shops and taste the special treats.
Dinosaur berry! Wow! Can we go, Mummy? Can we visit Grandpa Pig's bakery shop for the contest?
That sounds wonderful. Grandpa Pig has been working very hard on his new berry recipes all week.
Well then, put your shoes on, everyone. It's time for a sweet family adventure.
That is a brilliant idea.
Look over there, Mommy and Daddy. The street is decorated with such bright flags, and the weather is so sunny today.
Ho ho! I can already catch the wonderful scent of warm pastry and sweet strawberries floating all the way down the lane.
Grandpa Pig has done such a lovely job decorating the front porch with berry ribbons to welcome all the friendly neighbors.
Baba, Grandpa's shop. Come on, George. Don't walk so slowly. Let's hurry inside through the door and see all the marvelous surprises Grandpa has prepared for the whole town.
Oh my goodness me! Just look at all these wooden shelves filled with so many colorful breads, sweet candies, and beautiful pastries.
Ho ho! What a feast for the eyes! We have fresh fruit pies, golden berry loaves, glazed tarts, and jars full of sweet treats everywhere.
Look over here, Mommy. Grandpa baked my favorite strawberry tarts and rainbow berry muffins. The pink strawberry icing looks so pretty and delicious. Big berry cake! Sweet, sweet!
Grandpa Pig truly is a master baker. His secret berry jam recipe must be the most delicious recipe in the entire kingdom.
It really is special. Grandpa always puts so much love and fresh ingredients from his garden into every single pastry he bakes.
I am so proud of our Grandpa. Do you think the town judges will like his pastries the best and give him a prize today?
Ho ho ho! There is no doubt about that, Peppa. Now let us all make our way over to the town square to hear the official announcement from the judges.
Look over by the festival gazebo, everyone. The judges have already put up the official celebration board.
Look, Daddy. It says, Grand Presentation, Best Food Explorers, and Grandpa Pig's Berry Bakery. Hooray for Grandpa Pig! This is definitely the sweetest and most delicious celebration our town has ever seen.
3 cheers for the finest berry pastries in the whole country!
What a wonderful and heartwarming day for our whole family and all of our wonderful neighbors.
This is officially the happiest day of the year. Let's give a huge cheer together for Grandpa Pig and his wonderful berry bakery.
Hip hip hooray! Congratulations to Grandpa Pig and his wonderful berry bakery.